All right, guys, welcome to Waxmaster Breaks. This is our four-box mixer here. We got two boxes of 2014 Absolute Football and two boxes of 2015 Playbook Football. This is a team break. Good luck to everybody involved. Here we go. We're going to start it off with a Playbook box. First card, base card booklet, Russell Wilson, Marshawn Lynch. Second card, Vince Mail, Hot Roots jersey for the Cleveland Browns, number to 199. That's going to Mr. Chad McFry. Nice hit, Chad. Vince Mail jersey, number to 199. And our booklet, Tevin Coleman for the Falcons, dual jersey auto booklet. For the Atlanta Falcons. That's numbered to 199. That's going to Travis Novak. Nice hit, Travis. Tevin Coleman jersey. All right, now we're going to move on to an Absolute box. Good luck, guys. I like the Absolute because it's reasonably priced, and you can get veteran and Hall of Fame autos. Those are what I like. At Waxmaster Breaks, we got the 3D experience. We got this view here on Breakers, and we got that view there on Facebook. You can check out either one. I like it personally. If you're on Facebook, you get a little sneak peek sometimes of the cards, though. So I gotta making sure you guys don't. Here we go. First card, Reggie Bush, base card. Next card, Julio Jones, base card. Next card, numbered to 20, Toby Gerhart for the Jacksonville Jaguars. That's going to Mr. Chad McFry. Nice hit, Chad. Next card, Tools of the Trade quad jersey, numbered to 99, DeAnthony Thomas. Nice looking card for the Kansas City Chiefs. That's going to Frank Nolfo. Nice hit, Frank. Next hit. Ooh, that's nasty. Torrey Smith, quad patch for the Ravens, numbered to 15. That's sick. Nice patches there. Very nice looking card. For the Ravens, that's a traded team, only trade. That's going to Travis Novak. Nice hit, Travis. Next card. Good luck, guys. Ooh, nasty six-way. That's got a sick patch there. It's like 3D raised right up. Blake Bortles, number to 249. I don't know what that is. A piece of his hat, maybe? No, it says it's a piece of his jersey. That's pretty cool. Blake Bortles, number to 249. What's up, Don? How you doing, brother? Next card. Good luck, guys. Marion Grice, rookie auto, number to 199 for the Chargers. That's going to Mr. Roger Barbrick. Nice hit, Roger. I'm doing good. Thanks, Don. Hanging in there, brother. Today was my Friday at work, so I'm good. Last hit, Robert Herron. Rookie auto, number to 99 for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. That's going to Travis Novak. Nice hit, Travis. You're welcome, Roger. Teddy Bridgewater, Erica Braun. Kadeem Carey, Devontae Adams. Quad card. And Hog Heaven, Mike Evans. Kid Reporter. All right, guys, we're going to get right into our playbook. Let's keep it moving. Third box of our break. I know, right, Travis? I've seen him on a couple. Oh. Facebook land gets a sneak peek. Triple threats. Number to 99, Jordan Matthews, Nelson Aguilar, Sam Bradford. Triple jersey for the Philadelphia Eagles. That's going to Joshua Novak. Nice hit, Josh. Triple jersey for the Eagles. Peyton Manning, Von Miller, base card booklet, number to 299. And Melvin Gordon. That's a nasty patch on both of them. For the San Diego Chargers. That's going to Roger Barbrick. Nice hit, Roger. Nice hit, Raj, man. Number to 49. 47 of 49. As always, you're welcome, brother. Don't mind me. Set them up over there. Put Mr. Tevin behind him. All right, here we go. On to our last box of the break. 2014 Absolute. Keep our fingers crossed for a nice auto. I love this stuff. Personally, I pulled a couple nice things out of it. I've seen a bunch of nice stuff pulled out of it. I like it. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. First card, Monte Ball base. Second card, Gronk Attack base. Next card, Trey Mason, rookie card, numbered to 25 for the Rams. That's going to Mr. Lloyd Ferguson. Nice hit, Lloyd. Trey Mason to 25. Uh-oh, look out. Here we go. Another one. Trey Mason. Quad jersey. Oh, I need to move them over a little bit more. There we go. Trey Mason quad material, number to 149. That's as well going to Lloyd Ferguson. Nice hit, Lloyd. Next card. Leather and lace, numbered to 42. Bishop Sankey. For the Tennessee Titans, that's going to Travis Novak. Nice hit, Travis. The Hanky. You got him, brother. Next card. Jimmy Garoppolo. Quad material, number to 249. For the New England Patriots. That's going to Mr. Dale D. Dowles. Nice hit, Dale. Open some top loaders really quick. Thanks, Gary. Yeah, they are nice looking. I really like the Absolute. It's one of my favorite sets from 2014 for sure. Jimmy Garoppolo, quad jersey. Next card. Absolute Inc. Doug Martin. Number to 25. There's a nice low numbered auto right there. Imagine if that was like Emmitt Smith or something. Somebody'd be real happy. Doug Martin for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. That's going to Travis Novak. Nice hit, Travis. Doug Martin, numbered to 25. Next card, last hit. Brandon Coleman. Rookie auto, numbered to 99. For the New Orleans Saints. That's going to Lloyd Ferguson. Nice hit, Lloyd. No, it's 2014. Absolute Panini Absolute football. You'll see like that emblem when you see the box. A bit of focus now would be nice. Anyways, it looks like that. All right, guys, quick recap of our hits. Here we go. Jimmy Garoppolo, quad jersey, number to 249. Triple threats jersey for the Eagles, Jordan Matthews, Nelson Aguilar, Sam Bradford. That's a nice looking card. Number to 99. Robert Herron, rookie auto, numbered to 99. That's from 2014. Marion Grice, numbered to 199, rookie card, auto. Toby Gerhart, numbered to 20, out of the 2014 Absolute. Bishop Sankey, Rookie, leather and lace. So that's a piece of the football and a piece of the lace out of the football. Numbered to 42. Pretty cool looking card. Blake Bortles, 6-way patch, number to 249 for the Jaguars. You too, Travis. Torrey Smith, quad patch, numbered to 15. That's a nice looking card as well. DeAnthony Thomas, quad jersey, numbered to 99. Hot Roots, Vince Mayo, numbered to 199, jersey. I'm trying to think of the best auto I pulled out of the Absolute. It was definitely, I know what it is now. It's definitely the Brett Favre. I pulled the Brett Favre auto out of this, like this, numbered to 10. Now that I think back on it, sick card. Brandon Coleman, auto for the Saints, numbered to 99. Doug Martin, Absolute Ink auto, nice looking card, numbered to 25. Trey Mason, quad material, numbered to 149. Trey Mason, numbered to 25. Tevin Coleman, booklet, dual jersey auto, numbered to 199. And Melvin Gordon, nasty patches, auto, numbered to 49. Nice looking booklet for the Chargers. We got our other base cards here. Let's see what they are. Sean Green, Arian Foster, Toby Gerhart, Trent Richardson, Hog Heaven, Andrew Luck. Kid Reporter. All right, guys. Thanks, everybody, for watching live. I appreciate it. Love you guys watching live. The more the better. I'll see you guys soon. Everybody have a great night. Be safe until the next time, which is tomorrow. Make sure you check out those Gold Rush boxes. Sweet, sweet stuff's going to come out of that. I think there's still some spots left in the second break. And there's going to be more to come. Make sure you check them out. Really good stuff. All right, guys. Have a great night. See you next time.